Hello and welcome. How are you doing? Next I am planning to show you that how I replace rear register plate like pulp, and this car is Toyota Corolla sedan car and year models 1990 to 2005. Okay, and then this pulp is inside this black box and cover what I am touching, and then we need also new pulp and some tools, and let's look those next. Okay, and I have also in there flat screwdriver what is useful in that job. Okay, and here I have first is my flat screwdriver, and in that driver I need in that job when I open this some those plastic clippers, and then we look more these pulps, and I recommend to use good quality original equipment pulps like this Philips pulps. It's very good quality pulp, and and now I have in here two kind of pulps, what is 5 volts watts and 10 watts, and I think that both of those works well. And then there is little bit information in this back area what is good to check. And first there is thing that do not touch this pulp light area, and then it's good to use protective eyeglasses. And then this pulp is very hot when we are replacing this, and this can burn our fingers, and always take that pulp in this metallic part. And this next step is that I am using this my clothes, and then I saw that how to open that package. It goes opening this down area, and then we take carefully that pulp in this metallic part, and then we investigate and we check that is this inside small metallic line okay, because this is the critical part of this pulp, and it looks good. And then we check that there are those metallic comments that we can replace and compare to that old pulp, that they are similar. There is Philips and those comments, and this is this basement. It should be in that kind of basement when we compare that old pulp to this new pulp. Okay, and everything looks fine. Light is in this curve metallic part, and it means that this pulp is okay. And do not touch this glass, because if we touch that glass, then this our pulp will be damaged faster. Okay, and first we need to open our rear trunk area, that we can look this black carpet what is there. And this black carpet, there are those plastic clip penners or those screws what opens in, so that we have this flat screwdriver, and just in this corner area I press in there in that way, and then this part opens nicely, and then I pull out this plastic fastener, and then this black mattress and this carpet is free, and there is this looking what this fastener looks, and and it is that looking, and it works so that we move that inside part in and out. Okay, and there is this mattress, and in this area where is this register plate, we also take those fasteners out. And then when I a little bit move that carpet, there is this possibility to see in their inside. and just in their inside we can see quite soon those wires, and also there is this pulp, this cover, and this other things, and let's look those next. Okay, and then when we look this mattress and we keep that in our hand in that position, we can take our right hand, and there is just this small black pulp holder, and we need to rotate that something like 40 to 60 degrees, like in half area, and then only it keeps small sound, and then we need to only pull out this pulp, and there when we check that, next step is that we need to rotate this pulp, and it's only a little bit pressed down and then rotation, and it opens easily. It is very easy to open, and then we check that old pulp, and we can see that this metallic wire and line is broken, and this is like scrap, and then we install this new pulp back, and there is this new pulp plastic, and we compare that what is this difference between those old and new, and there must be difference, and then we install this new pulp. In one way there are holes, please look those holes, and then this pulp goes nicely inside, and then a small rotation, and then we check that it is fastened, that this pulp don't drop away. It is mandatory, and then when there is light, it is almost okay, and light is on when we click this parking light on, and please check that pulp is fastened and tightened, and rotate that it don't drop. Okay, and next we need to insert that pulp in that hole what I am showing, and this black, it goes in that black hole, and when we press that in up, and in same time we need to rotate that something like 45 degrees or 90 degrees, and then there we can hear a small click, and then when we can see that our pulp it is in that position and it keeps in there, we can actually try to pull out it, and normally it don't go out when it is fine. Now I check that is everything okay, and then next step is to start to insert this black mattress back, and for that job we need those plastic fasteners, and of course there is this second pulp also what is now I am touching, and we need to replace that pulp too, because there is two of those, and it is always good to replace both pulps in same time because they last almost same amount. And now I have also, I am planning to replace this second register plate pulp, and it looks that it is good, and then when this pulp is okay and we check that is there light, everything looks okay, and then I fasten it in same way back, and then when those two pulps are okay, we need to install this mattress, this black mattress back, and there is idea that we use only those plastic fasteners what we have take away, and if you have lost those or they are broken, we can purchase new pulps in Toyota dealership, and these pulps are not very expensive. They cost something like $1 per piece, and we can go to Toyota dealership to purchase those pulps, so those fasteners. Okay, and then final part is to check that how these lights are working, and we check that is this light okay and everything looks fine. And thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day to you, and see you in next video.